Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. I wanted to recount a conversation I had with a friend of mine who's a jeweler. It's about business model, and we were driving up to a friend's place just north of Edmonton, and she sells really beautiful jewelry. She's from India originally, and she built relationships with some craftspeople there, and we get her jewelry made, and she would resell it here. And I asked her, I said, because she had a store, and I said, where did you make money? Did you make money more in the shop? Or online, or what? She said it was the farmers markets. That was where she made most of her money. It was selling at farmers markets, where she was regularly at a place, and she's just gotten rid of her shop, and she's thinking about going back. She's going to pick a few farmers markets and go back and see if it still works. But this is so important to know. Where does your business actually come from? When you're looking at your business model, it's very easy to get caught up in what everybody says you have to do this. Everyone says you have to sell online. Everyone says you have to have a shop and a storefront for it, or everyone says you have to do whatever it is. The most important thing is what's working in the real world. Certain jewelry will probably do well in certain markets and not in others. You can take the same jewelry, you could take it to one craft fair, another craft fair, another craft fair, and one it'll do great and one it'll do poorly, and who knows why. And it may not be that important to know why, though. It could be helpful because maybe there's something about the demographics, the psychographics of who's there, but it could be also about the other booths, what's there, how does yours contrast or complement it. So I suppose it is worth studying, but the important thing is to notice what's working, and if it's working, keep doing it. If you find something that works better, do that. But let's not get caught up in that this is how your business model is supposed to be. If it works, it works. So anyways, a short little story. Thought I'd share it for all the jewelers, craftspeople out there. Pick the thing that's going to be effective for you in actually selling stuff and paying the bills. And be willing to experiment. Be willing to try things. Try something new. See if it works. And if not, you got old reliable there. Thanks everyone so much. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks to everyone for subscribing if you do. I'm very grateful. And we'll see you in the next video.